Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Call of Duty Vanguard on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, I picked this up in the post-Christmas sales. So yeah, to be honest, like, I will play the multiplayer, but I'm not in for the multiplayer on this. I'm in for the campaign. I do like a good Call of Duty campaign, and the last one I played was World War II. So, and completed. So yeah, I'm quite looking forward to going through this. So yeah, seems to be there's quite a few different story missions set in different theatres of World War II. So that's pretty cool. I believe there's like Battle of Midway and yeah, all that kind of stuff in there. So yeah, this is the cross-gen bundle. So you get the Xbox One and the Series X versions. So yeah, there's the side. And there's the back. Rise on every front. Campaign, multiplayer and zombies. So the install size on this is about 65 gig, which is better than what Cold War was. So, because that was like 175 gig, I believe. So yeah. So an advert about Warzone, which I haven't played because just haven't really played it. And then you also get the disc. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it for my unboxing of Call of Duty Vanguard on the Xbox Series X, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. And for now, seeing as it's New Year's Eve, Happy New Year to all my subscribers. I hope you have a good evening, whatever you're doing. I am not doing anything. I am literally probably going to play a few games and in chat with some friends and yeah, all that good stuff, and eat my body weight in Pringles. So yeah. Anyway, cheers guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in 2022.